Kasalukuyan ako nasa plane from Incheon, Korea, going to Manila. So, pauwi na kami galing sa all-expense paid trip sa Sapporo, care of Unicity. So, as we know, Reset Retreat is powered by Unicity. So, hindi naman siya secret. At pauwi na kami and I just want to share how grateful I am for the support. Kasi hindi namin ma-experience itong all-expense paid trip na to without your support sa Reset Retreat. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much talaga. Alam niyo naman that I'm doing this because I really love the products and it has been helping me with my weight management since last year. Kaya sinare ko siya sa inyo. At ang dami-dami na rin girls na tulungan ng TM Fiber natin. So, of course, during this trip, hindi ko rin makakalimutan na mga fiber before eating. Let's go. Ay, yung fiber ko ngayon, the orange flavor, it's mixed berry. Dahil may mga kasama sa Unicity trip na hindi from the Philippines. Sa Philippines kasi orange lang yung available. Pero sa ibang mga bansa ay may ibang flavor like this. Ay, nagbigay sila. Binigyan nila ako. And let's try it. Ito ay mixed berry. Pero fiber pa rin siya. Flavor lang yung naiba. Wait lang. Sa airplane ako, ayan. Ano nyo, nasa studio lang ako. Studio. Sitcom ka doon. Anyway. So, let's drink this. Yummy. Pero for me, I still like the orange. Para masyado itong matamis for me. Now, it's time to eat right. Bread. It's po important. Natakam ako sa bread agad, pero let's use utensils kasi ang hirap kuhanin ng butter. So kahit nasa ibang bansa, kahit nasa Himpapawid, kailangan na may fiber tayo. Very basic. Just drink your fiber before loading up. Para ma-block na yung mga carbs, yung cholesterol, yung sugar. And it's all natural. Back to the one thing, I started selling tea and fiber last August 2025. So today is April 2026. And yun na nga, ang dami ko ng experience with Reset Routine. Ang dami mga feedback, mga nakakataba ng puso. You know, when you are able to help people with their confidence and their health, sobra, means a lot talaga. Bonus pa may mga incentive trips sa kanila. Ako kasi may talaga magbenta-benta. If you're like me, mahilig din magbenta-benta, tindera din, naturally, then yes, you can sell RTM paper. If you want to know more, just message me. Who knows, malay mo sa next trip, kasama na tayo. Appetizer pa lang tayo. Mga ganitong trip, hindi mo talaga mapalagpas lahat ng food. Kasi part of the experience yun eh. Kailangan, hindi ako mag-diet pag may trip. Kaya dapat may fiber.